Hello again, everyone. In this episode, we're going to get into some deep image captioning using artificial intelligence. First, I want to show you what's currently used for image captioning. So it just comes back. This is our API from previously. It just gives you basically a snapshot of what's in a particular image. And that's the image. If you notice, it's just a group of people sitting at a table with cups, right? So that's a basic image captioning, and that's widely known, that's widely used. We have an API for that as well. But I want to get into deeper image captioning, which provides more context around what's actually happening within the image. So we have our deep image caption API. We're going to go ahead and load this file up, the same one that we just chose, and run through and give you an example of what deeper captioning is. So this could help you could help automate the process of tagging each of these photos with kind of more information about what's happening in the photos to give a text search capability as well as the standard tags that they have to kind of add more robustness to the data sets that you have to go off of. So let's get into it. So we chose our file, click upload, and let's see what we get back. So here we have the result set. Once again, this is the picture. We're going to go through and look at this image. Shows 4 people sitting around a table, enjoying coffee together, having a good time. The 4 individuals are of different ethnicities: a white man, white woman, black man, black woman. This woman is wearing a white t-shirt with blue stripes. The man is wearing a blue t-shirt. Black man is wearing a black t-shirt. Okay, so here's part of the problem when you go through this route. So here's the actual architecture, or a highlight of the architecture that's being used. And so you pull the image, it runs through the model. Here they're using Blip, and they run it through a specialized prompt. Then it gets passed into the Vicuna large language model, and then you get your response. So here's the problem, right? Or 2 primary issues with this. The initial one is intentional hallucination, right? So you're building in hallucination to that. And the secondary one is the substantial processing time. So if we go through and look at what it's actually saying versus the picture, so there is 4 people, but it's not the couple breakdown that it shows. And so there's a lot of extras that get added in. So that's just one thing to keep in mind as you're going through these sorts of deep captioning models. Here's the actual or background infrastructure that we use to generate this. Once again, deep image captioning with FalconsAI 125.